Today, we're taking a deep and complete look at the brand new Sony Xperia 11 Pro 5G, a smartphone that is already creating massive buzz in the tech world. If you're someone who loves powerful performance, stunning camera results, and a premium design, then this video is going to help you understand exactly why the Xperia 11 Pro 5G is one of the most exciting flagship phones of 2025. Before we dive into every detail, make sure you stay till the end, because I'll be sharing my honest experience, real-world performance, and whether this phone is truly worth your money. Let's start with the design because Sony has done an amazing job this time. The Xperia 11 Pro 5G comes with a sleek, rectangular body that feels premium in the hand. It still carries Sony's famous tall aspect ratio, which makes the phone stand out from every other brand. The build quality is solid, the grip is comfortable, and the lightweight feel makes it perfect for daily use. Sony has also improved the durability, offering strong glass protection on both the front and back. Now let's talk about the display, one of Sony's strongest features. The Xperia 11 Pro 5G offers a bright, sharp, and color-accurate display that is perfect for watching videos, gaming, or even editing photos. Sony continues to use its cinema-level color calibration, which means the colors look realistic and beautiful. Whether you're watching movies, browsing social media, or playing high-graphic games, this display makes everything look better. Moving on to the performance, this is where the Xperia 11 Pro 5G shows its real power. With a high-end chipset, fast 5G support, and smooth optimization, the phone handles everything effortlessly. Multitasking is fluid, apps open quickly, and gaming performance is extremely stable. Even heavy games run smoothly without lag. This makes the Xperia 11 Pro 5G a great option for gamers, content creators, and anyone who needs fast performance. Now let's get into the camera, which is the main highlight of this phone. Sony has introduced a new camera system with improved sensors, better stabilization, and amazing low-light performance. The photos come out sharp, detailed, and natural looking. The video quality is equally impressive, offering smooth footage, accurate colors, and excellent dynamic range. Whether it's daytime shooting or low-light photography, the Xperia 11 Pro 5G performs beautifully. Battery life is another strong point. The phone lasts comfortably through a full day of heavy usage, and the charging speed is much faster than previous Xperia models. Sony has also added smart battery features to protect the phone's health over time. If you enjoy technology, camera testing, speed tests, benchmarks, and real-world performance reviews,